how to make a zip file. Now if you're on Windows 11 or 10, this is very easy to do. Let's say I want to zip these two files here, this Unsplash and this Dickinson's PowerPoint presentation. Highlight them both, right click. Now if you have WinRAR, you'll be able to select WinRAR and then compress to desktop.rar and email. However, if you don't have WinRAR on your PC, there is an inbuilt zipper. So come up to here, compress to, then select zip file. And there you go. We've created a zip file of these two files. If you double click it, it'll open it up. As you can see, there's them two files being zipped up. So that's how to make a zip file on Windows 11. If you're not on Windows 11 or 10, then WinRAR would be a good option. So, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and happy zipping.